However, we've now, with AI kind of firmly suddenly hitting us with probably 12, 18 months ago, we've had to wake up and go, right, okay, this is real, this is happening. And certainly with all the vendors we work with, AI, with 8x8 and Ring and those guys, AI is their number one product they sell.
Yeah.
Everything is built around that. And Nivola, we haven't got the word distribution in our name anymore.
Yeah.
We still work with the channel. However, it's more about solution selling.
Yeah.
So where you have an MSP and their go-to-market is, right, buy a solution off us, what colour the box is behind, doesn't matter. We're going to do the solution for you. Mm-hmm. We are the same. So we work from a very consultative role. We think consultative means that you actually sit in there next to that reseller, talking to the end user and taking as much responsibility. Not just going, oh, you should buy a blue one. It's right, we'll work on the discovery, the pre-sales, the demos, whatever it might be, all the way through to the actual sale. So people come to us and say, right, with the MSPs, they'll go, there's a white space in our portfolio. Yeah. And we'll go, okay, we do Cisco, but there's a bit there that neither of those suit. So we will then go with a solution to them that they can wrap. And in terms of the security, the data security, whatever the terminology people want to use, with AI and contact center and the comms world, there certainly are crossing over now. Oh, can go somewhere else. We're going to go, right, okay, if you're doing AI in your contact center with transcription, etc., you're going to need to look at security. Where's that transcription going? Who's moving it around? How's it? So, okay, so let's make sure we get data protection even on that. Mm-hmm. And that means that those resellers, when they're talking to the end user will go, oh, by the way, what do I do about security on this? They go, got a solution for you. And that's where working with you guys is perfect. They came together, and I assure security will become part of the solution when you're talking about comms. So we want to be able to, in that position, say, okay, here we go.
Yeah. No, I don't. And it's quite refreshing as well, because obviously you're talking about being that proactive sort of a bridging gap between obviously a partner and a vendor. Sometimes we can pick up some of the technical advice and so on. So I think it's actually really exciting, like you said, from a kind of a comms, UC, cyber, AI, it kind of fits all the different.